Ready to breeze through Fiverr's setup process and start your freelancing journey? In this video, I'll walk you through completing Fiverr's onboarding process efficiently and effectively. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Fiverr's onboarding is designed to help you set up your account properly and understand how the platform works. Completing it thoroughly gets you started on the right foot and can even boost your visibility. Let's navigate it together. First, after verifying your email, Fiverr will typically guide you through an interactive tour. This appears as a series of pop-ups or a progress bar showing the steps to complete your profile. Don't skip these, they're genuinely helpful for newcomers. The key steps usually include completing your profile picture, writing your profile description, adding your skills, and setting up your first gig. The system will prompt you through each of these sections in order, making it hard to miss anything important. Pay special attention to the new to selling checklist. This is Fiverr's guided path to getting your first gig live. It breaks down the process into manageable steps and gives you a clear progress indicator showing how close you are to being fully set up. A crucial pro tip: while completing onboarding, don't rush through just to check boxes. Take your time with each section, especially your first gig creation. Quality matters more than speed here. Remember, you can always go back and edit your gig later if needed. Once you complete all the onboarding steps, you'll typically see a congratulations message and your profile will be considered complete by Fiverr's system. This often means you'll start appearing in search results and can fully participate in the marketplace. And just like that, you've successfully navigated Fiverr's onboarding process. You're now ready to start attracting clients and building your freelance business. If this guide helped you complete your setup smoothly, please give it a like. Which part of the onboarding process did you find most helpful? Share your experience in the comments below. To take your Fiverr business to the next level, subscribe for our next video on how to upgrade to Fiverr Pro. Thanks for watching.